Okay, test 1 review, question or part B, question 15. So find the decimal representation. That means just write it as a decimal. So I'm just going to go 2/3, oops, equals, and push SD. D stands for decimal. 0.6666. Ignore that 7 because that means the calculator screen is small and it rounds up to 7 at the end. So it's just 66666. So because the 6 is repeating, I put a little hat on the 6. There it is there. Okay. Write as a decimal. Okay. 7/8. D for decimal. 8.75. Oops. 0.875. Express the following rational number. Rational just means like a fraction as a decimal. Okay. So let's put it in. 31/6. That's not a decimal. I have to push D for decimal. 5.16. Now these 6's are repeating, but the 7 says the number after there is a 6 and it rounds up to a 7 because it's big, so I ignore that, and I have to put a hat on the 6 because the 6 is repeating. Be careful, it doesn't go 5.161616. See? It's not that. This one here, because the 6 is repeating. Write this fraction in write as a fraction in lowest terms. Okay. 0.4, I just push equals. There. 2/5. Or, I can write it this way, because there's one digit after the decimal, I can write it over 10 because it's one digit after, and then I can use my calculator to go 4/10. Same. Or I can just use my calculator. 0.4 equals. Okay, there's different ways to do it. So here, there's 2 digits after the decimal, so I'd write it over 100 because there's 2 zeros. So I can go 49/100. Okay. Or I can just use my calculator. 0.49 equals, oh, I can't get any more simple. That's it. So the next one, because there's 3 digits after the decimal, I put 3 zeros, so I put it over 1,000. And then make it simple. Or I just put it in my calculator and push equals. I get the same thing. Okay. So express this as a it says express the terminating. Terminating means stopping. Like, I mean, it doesn't go on forever and ever. As a quotient of 2 integers. Oh, quotient. Quotient means like divide. Quotient of 2 numbers means a number here and a number here. It just means fractions. So as a quotient of 2 integers, that just means write it as a fraction. So I'm just going to go 0.295. There, that's the easy way. If you want to do it the other way, you go, 3 digits after the decimal. So I put 295, 3 digits, 3 zeros, and then I put that in my calculator. Same. Okay, so you can just put this in your calculator and it gives you that. Or you can go, there's 3 digits after the decimal and put it over 1,000 because there's 3 zeros. Okay, so it says write it, express this given repeating decimal. Repeating because it goes 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It repeats as a quotient of integers. Quotient just means divide. So it says if you have 2 integers looking like this, well, that just means a fraction. You just say write this as a fraction. So remember, you have to go repeat. So just put in lots of 2's. How many 2's? I don't know. Lots and lots and lots and lots of 2's, and put equals. It's equal to 2/9. Okay. If you only put in a few 2's, let's put in a few more. You might not get the right answer, see? Okay, so put in lots of 2's. This is 0.44444. Let's put in lots of 4's. 4 over 9. There.